This video will demonstrate how to configure B2Proxy within XLogin. First, open the B2Proxy official website and log into your account. After entering the dashboard, locate the proxy plan you have purchased. In this tutorial, we'll use residential proxies as an example. Next, click Username Password. On this page, you can select the country you need, set the session type, and choose the nearest proxy host based on your location. Then set the quantity you want to generate, click Generate, and you will receive your proxies. After generation, you will see a set of proxy details, including host name, port, username, password. Copy these details. We will use them shortly in XLogin. Now, open the XLogin. Click New Browser Profile to create a brand new environment. Once you enter the configuration page, find Setting Proxy Server and turn the proxy option on. Based on the proxy you generated in B2Proxy, choose either HTTP or SOCKS 5 as the proxy type. Next, paste the proxy information you just copied into it. After filling everything in, click Test Proxy to check the connection. If it shows the IP is available, the proxy is working correctly. Finally, click Save, and the configuration is complete.